Okay, good day everyone. Welcome to my channel. My name is Thank God Chukwemeka. So I'm gonna be talking about Coinmarketcap. Talking about Coinmarketcap in So I'm gonna be showing you everything about CoinMarketCap, all you have to know about CoinMarketCap, and even how to make money in CoinMarketCap. And that's the most important thing we're gonna be talking about this today: how to make money in CoinMarketCap. So before we talk about how to make money and all these things and blah blah blah, let's just tell. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe, it's very necessary. Please subscribe. So when you subscribe, you click the like button and also click the bell so that you can receive information and other things, and other when we post videos you can receive the information. So let's dive in straight to what is CoinMarketCap. Now CoinMarketCap actually is owned by Binance. We already know who and what Binance is and what they are used for. If we don't know, don't worry, I'll see, just refer back to my future video, you will know more about Binance. So CoinMarketCap is a place or a kind of a platform that showcase real life that showcase the real life price movement of coins, or let's say it shows the ranking, everything about coins or the information about a coin or coins. So now CoinMarketCap is not just a place where you know the price of a coin. It's also a place where you can even investigate about a coin, you can research about a coin, you can do a research about a coin. So apart from CoinMarketCap, there are other places where you can do all these things. So but in this video we are limited to just CoinMarketCap. So let's quickly go on. So you can see from my screen here that you can see the price, the 24 increase, the 7 days increase, the percentage increase, then the market cap, the volume for 24 hours. You can see the circulating supply, you can see the last 7 days, what movement is making. All this information CoinMarketCap provides you with it. Now apart from that, apart from providing all this information, there are other things which you can use CoinMarketCap to do. You can do in CoinMarketCap, like you can know about or see NFT projects in CoinMarketCap. As you can see here, you can check for exchanges in CoinMarketCap. You can see spot derivatives and DS, that's decentralized exchanges. You can see gravity portfolio. You can create a portfolio in CoinMarketCap. You can watch list. You can see a list of your watch list, and you can even add coins to your watch list. You can see products in CoinMarketCap. We have the mobile app, the blockchain explorer, just bought, all these things are provided at CoinMarketCap. And you can see free airdrops. Wow, free airdrops, diamond rewards. Wow, learn and earn. All these things are provided by CoinMarketCap. And these three places: free airdrop, diamond rewards, and learn and earn, they are the three major places or things or sides of CoinMarketCap that you will earn money, you earn a passive income. So now how can you register in CoinMarketCap? Now you can see create account. Just when you open the CoinMarketCap, you go to the top right, click the three lines. When you click on the three lines, you come down, you see create account. You click on create account. When you click on create account, it will bring you to this place where you can create an account. I already have an account, so I won't be creating an account. So you just fill all this information. Now I'll be providing my referral ID for you in case you need a referral ID, or it's not really necessary, but I will provide mine just for you to use it. So you put the referral ID. You can decide to get daily information on what's happening in the market by clicking this by checking this box. Then you create an account, and it's as simple as that. You don't need when you create the account, they will ask you to solve a captcha. You just simply drag and put it at the right place, and it's done. You have created a CoinMarketCap account, and all you have to do is just continue enjoying the services provided by CoinMarketCap. So let's continue. So I'm going to just log in because I already have an account in CoinMarketCap. So I will just log in to my account. So I'm logging into my account now. This is the capture. They will ask me to security verification. Then I'll verify. Form. I'm logged in. Oh. I'm sorry for this. There's a mistake here. Yeah. I'm logged in. So now, and that is it. When you are logged in, you have created an account and you are logged in CoinMarketCap. So you can actually get anything you want to get from CoinMarketCap. You can check price, you can see ranking here, the top coins that are topping. You can see the recently added coins, you can see the top gainers. You can get a lot of things from CoinMarketCap. Now, so we'll be focusing on CoinMarketCap diamonds. So now when you still click on this three dot line, you can see I've been clicking it since. So you can just come down, then you go to my diamonds. When you go to my diamond, you don't really have to register anything again because you already registered the CoinMarketCap. So when you go to my diamond, or you can see my diamonds here, you can see the number of diamonds I have here. So you just start collecting. That is all. As simple as that. All you have to do is just to register and start collecting your diamonds. And once you start collecting your diamonds, it's the simple. When you, like, now I have 650 diamonds, I can use it to redeem NFTs. That's where the money part of it is. I can use it to redeem NFTs by coming to these diamond rewards. So when you come to these diamond rewards, so you can see this NFT. Oh, is the 90th year birthday anniversary of CoinMarketCap. So they brought this NFT in order to celebrate it. So I don't have up to 5,000, so I can't redeem it by tomorrow. You can see. So you can see NFTs that are sold out. You can see these are NFTs that are sold out. Okay, let me show you the ones I redeem. If I go to my rewards now, you see the ones I've redeemed. See the ones I've redeemed. I've redeemed all these. Now these are avatars. These avatars, they are still available up till now. They are still available up till now. And their prices, I can redeem them if I want, but I don't want to waste my diamond on them because their prices are minimal. Their prices are very, very small. So I don't really want to waste my diamonds in collecting things that don't worth much. So I'm looking at the bigger ones. So we're getting close. See the avatars, some of them are still available. Oh, these ones are sold out. Oh, this one is sold out. This one is sold out. See, this one is still available. This one is still available. Like, I can redeem this. This is still available. I can redeem this if I want. This one is still available. I've redeemed this already. This one is still available. I can redeem this if I want. This one I've redeemed this already. And you can see a lot of NFT. All these are NFTs that people have redeemed. These are NFTs people have redeemed. So register. What are you waiting for? Register and start earning from Coinmarketcap. Can you imagine a place where you only find information about coins and the price of coins now turns to a place where you can make money? Why don't you grab that opportunity and make money? Before I go, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless you. Thank you very much. And don't forget to click that bell button there so that when next I post, you will be the first to receive the notification and watch out for my next